Hello friends, in Skyline book we are going to take revision of third chapter, that is John's bedroom. So you remember or not? So let's take a quick review of this chapter and exercise also. John is very happy. He has a new bedroom. There's a bed with neat pillows and quilts. Quilts means जो आजकल विंटर्स में हमारे पास आ गई है ना मोटी सी एक रजाई, उसको बोलते हैं क्विल्ट्स. So there's a bed with neat pillows and quilts. There's a small side table with table lamp on it. Yes, you can see table and red and white table lamp. There's a big table with a computer on it. Yes, we can see that too. There is also a big window with curtains. Yes, pink curtains. There's a big picture on the wall. There's a road and a scenery, some trees and birds in the picture. And the picture is on the wall. There's a dresser near the wall. Yes, dresser means a cupboard where we keep our clothes. And he puts his clothes in it. Next page. There is a shelf on the wall for keeping books and trophies. Yes, it is also there. There is a big box for keeping toys in his room. So a carton or a big box is there, teddy bear, a clown and giraffe you can see in the box. Father asks John, "Do you like your new room?" So whose room it was? It was John's bedroom, na? So father asks, "Do you like your new room?" So John answers, "Oh yes, it is a lovely room. I like it. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Father." Father smiles and says, "You can play with your toys and keep them back later." You should also do the same, okay? Use the things but keep on the proper place later on. John calls his sister. "Come, Nancy, let us play with our toys." So, very easy chapter it was. Now, exercise part. You have to hide the answers first, right? Or directly give to anyone else. He will ask you because you have already done these. So, John has a new bedroom. Yes, there is a bed with dash pillows. Dirty pillows? No, you can tell. There's a big box for keeping Dash in his room. We were discussing that. Clown, teddy bear, and giraffe. They are all toys. Reference to context. Directly come to the question answers. What is there on the small side table? I remember it was a lamp, red and white, I think, huh? Yes, table lamp. Where is the computer in John's room? Again, it's on a computer table. Yes, desk. What was the proper word used in the uh, side table? There's a big table. Yes, you can say on big table. And next is number 3. John puts his clothes in the cupboard, but the word used in this chapter was dresser. The books are kept on the shelf. True or false? You can tell. Now, question answers. You already have answers in your notebook. And what we are doing these days? We are rewriting questions and answers in our notebooks. So, I am reading the questions for you. You will read also. You will try to say the answers, though in your language only, no issue. How accurate you can answer, you will check, and then you will go to your notebooks. You will check whether the answers are similar or near to that or not, and then you will learn correct answers and rewrite, right? So the questions are: What is there on the wall in John's bedroom? John's new bedroom. Second, what does father ask John? Do you think that John likes his bedroom? Why does John call his sister Nancy? So, all easy. Now, word cargo. This is already done with you. No issue. Leave it. Speaking check. Look at the picture given below. Take turns to ask your partner the number of any two fruits from the picture. So you can also practice conversing with anyone, right? Pronunciation. Read with me. Speak with me. Bed, led, yet. So a sound was there for e here. Next time we will see B, B double E B, D double E P deep, and keep E sound for double E. Need, peep, and feed. Right? Next are, oh, I forgot. Next are these fill in the blanks. So, helping window is also there. Bed, chair, table, walls, toys, and books, and windows. So, you can easily fill that all. One and many. Color the boxes red if the things are one in number. Color the boxes green if things are many. So your boxes are already colored. So you can leave this two and next one too. No issue. Just complete your notebook work. Right? Thank you. Now we will meet in mathematics. Bye.